So in this video, we will be using our ticket system as an end user, and we will be opening a new ticket, and the scenario is the problem of the user. I'm me as a user. The problem is the entire mobile app for the banking system is down, and I want to report uh, to the IT or the system administrator that I can't access the banking app, and that's it. So first we need to open the new ticket. Open a new ticket. So we need to log in here our email as a end user. So in our previous video, we created an end user, and the email address of that end user is Makaba Ligoten, and then full name is Makaba Ligoten. Phone number and exit, never mind, just leave it blank. And for the help topic, report problem as a business critical outage. Let's use this, and then create issue summary, ticket details. So we need to put mobile banking app down, and the details here, we need to put the details. My this is an example on how to create a ticket. If you are the end user, just explain what's the problem in the description of the ticket. My employees are, or I can't, or just like this, my employees are reporting that users are no longer able to access the online banking app. The ones who can occasionally access it cannot log. So create ticket, and that's how you create a ticket in our support ticket system. And that's it for this video.